name is Emily, and I'm a rising senior at Palatine Elementary.
Hi everyone, my name is Connie, and I'm also a rising senior going to Liberty High School. So thank you guys so much for watching our tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make a balloon rocket.
So the materials you need is some string, a straw, a balloon, and a tape.
You also need like two heavy objects, like I have two chairs over here, or you can have a doorknob and a chair.
So the first step is to take your straw and thread your string into the straw. So you could use like a pointy object or like a thinner object like a wooden skewer and like wrap it around and thread it.
So after you've threaded your straw through, you're going to tie one end of your string to the heavy object. So I tied one end to this chair. And so now I'm going to take the other end and I'm going to tie the other end to the other chair.
So make sure that your straw also is able to move on the string. Now take your balloon and blow it up. Now take a couple pieces of tape and tape the balloon with the straw. The balloon should be below the straw. You can let go.
So there's actually some physics behind why the balloon moves like that. So when you blow air into the balloon and then you let the balloon go, the air pushes out of the balloon, which causes the balloon to move in the opposite direction. And if this sounds familiar, this is actually a good example of Newton's third law, where for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So I hope you guys had fun making your balloon rockets, and thank you guys so much for watching our tutorial.
Thank you guys so much for watching our tutorial. Hope you guys have fun making your balloon rocket. Bye!
Bye!